Hello and what's up, amazing people? Welcome to Adventures of Mercy. And today in our adventure, we are adventuring to Mount Longonot National Park. Yes, we're going to have a hike there. Yeah, so welcome to Mount Longonot National Park. And yeah guys, if you love hiking, unapenda hizo vitu za kuchokesha mtu, ndo hizi hapa sasa. So yeah, that's their entrance. It's so beautiful. It looks good. Anyway, it looks good. Yeah, it's not a bad one. Yo. So yeah, that's their entrance and it was amazing. What is awaiting you? You don't know. So guys, that's their environment. Ukifika tu hapo kwa entrance, hapo nje kuna hizo tu cafeterias, to canteens where you can go get water. By the way, when going to this place, you need a lot of water and a lot of energy drinks and something to give you energy like glucose, biscuits, some snacks. But if it's water or any other drink, you have to put it in your water bottle. You can't go with hiyo chupa ya maji ama chupa ya soda. Yeah, they think that you're going to go and litter the mountain. Yeah, so they prefer that you just put it in your own water bottle, which you'll have to live with it. So yeah, so when you get in, you go check in and unalipa hizo malipo, and then you're given such a receipt. Inakuja kwa simu yako, ukishalipa unapata hiyo receipt. So after we checked in, we started the hiking. And yeah, that's how you start the hiking. You start getting tired from the minute you leave that entrance and get here. So yeah, here we were just starting and I was so energetic to shoot and all that. So Mount Longonot National Park, that's the starting point and the main gate. And then yeah, you continue and then there's a campsite inside the mountain. Here you can come with your tents and mpange uko mjipikie and all that stuff. But still kuna cafeteria huko nini huko chini. So you can also eat there and just come and camp inside the mountain. It's very safe by the way. Mkiona watu wanatembea, it's very safe. Yeah, so that's me, not me. Me and the people we were working with. And my mama. So I hope I'm just scared. So yeah, na nikapatana na wazungu by the way. Wazungu walirauka. It was, right now it was around 11. And can you imagine, hawa tunapatana nao walikuwa washapanda mlima huko juu na wakazunguka and now they were coming back. Can you imagine guys? Hey, mimi acha tuendelee, nitawapea story. So yeah, that's me taking the view. Nilikuwa sasa nimeanza kupanda panda. I was already moving high. I was somewhere high. Yeah, so I was trying to take the view. The view was so amazing. I enjoyed seeing that view. And yeah, ilikuwa inakaa hivyo. Yeah, and then guys, this thing is not easy. It's not as easy as you think. By the way, hukuwezi ingia na gari. Unaona hizi ni two paths tunakaaje? Ni path fupi, like yani ni kakonde. Huwezi ingia na gari. Ni miguu yako futubishi. Na ukikwama, it's on you. By the way, wameka hiyo, ni venye siku record hiyo part. Wameka mahali, like they are not in charge. Like, uingie at your own risk. Be sure that you'll be able to hike. Juu hawana gari ya kukukujia huko juu kienda ufaint. Nikapatana na hii kishimo by the way. Nikashtuka. But it was nothing big, yeah. So that's us pandaing. Tuliachwa na wengine. We were big team. Ilikuwa group kubwa. Nye ilikuwa mbele yetu. They were just ahead of us kidogo. But we preferred moving pole pole. Hatukuwa na mbio. We were going tukipiga story. Talking about life. Talking about mapenzi. Yeah, so that's the view. Hiyo view by the way ilikuwa kali. Kwanza when you get up there and you can now see the gate iko huko chini where you started. It was so much fun. But let me tell you guys, kufika huko juu, hey, It's not for the weak, by the way. You need to be so energetic, so strong to get up there. Hey, mimi mtu sitaki kuambia, I don't want to, sitaki ni kuluzishe hope saa hizi, but yeah, you can make it, by the way. So I was meeting with these people and they were so happy that they had finished, and walikuwa wananiambia all the best, and I was like, you guys, mko sure mimi nitaweza? At this point I was left alone uko nyuma, but nili make it. Yeah, so unaenda ukipatana na hutu vitu and wanakwambia mavitu, in case of anything you can call their numbers. Yeah, si ati uende ukufie huko hata kama ni at your own risk, you can call them, but ujue there is no faster way to help you. Like ni kwa mlima na hakuna barabara, ni hutu tu hiking paths. Yeah, so but it is fun, by the way. If you really love hiking, it's so much fun. But I think you should come in the morning when it's not so hot, or in the evening when the sun is setting. Because for us, we came around 11 and that's when the sun was up here. And so it was so hot though. But sisi ni nani, we had to do it. Like we just felt we need to go somewhere, have a walk. And then I was feeling so unfit, so I thought it will help. I just came to realize that hiking was not my thing. But yeah, we did it guys. I tried, by the way, I really tried. You guys need to go to this place and see how what I'm telling. Yani mnafaa muende mjue ni nini nawaambia. Unaona sasa hapa niko, I'm somewhere up, niko mahali juu. Naona uko chini. That's me, mnaniona uko juu. Yani it was this bad. Nilikuwa naenda kama mama mjamzito. Hebu mniangalie mnione. Guy, it wasn't easy, my loves. Oh my God. This was not easy. I was feeling so, kama nita give up nirudi na sijafika hata quarter. Lakini nikasema no way, there's no way I was going to give up that fast. So nikajikaza. Pole pole tu tutafika. And then you reach somewhere. Sasa ukikaribia juu kabisa. Si juu kabisa. But ukikaribia uko juu, like halfway kuna stairs. Mahali kuna stairs, like now you're encourage that you're almost there. Like you're almost getting there. So hapa mimi nikafika halfway, and guys, let me tell you, that's me. I was done. I was done with this thing. Maana venye hadi nakaa, I was so fed up with it, and nilikuwa nimeamua sasa mi going back. Mi nilichoka guys. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I couldn't make it to the end. Nilifika halfway and I decided to go back. Yeah, and that's me going back. I know, that's me going back. So tulifika halfway. By this time now tulikuwa tumetumia like an hour hiking. 1 hour and some minutes. Though si tulienda pole pole sana. 1 hour. Let's say 1 hour and a half yenye tulitumia kupanda. And no, that's me shukaing, also energetic to go back. But nikiangalia mahali naenda, like when you're up there, you can see where you're going. Unaona nitaifika kule chini, and you're like, wow. So this running ilikuwa inanipea motisha. Like when you start running at some point, unasikia tu you just need to run. But let me tell you, when you stop, you feel, I can't do it. So I would run this much, then go sit down somewhere. Go sit down somewhere. And now take some breath and then continue. Like it was that way. Yeah, it was so, I don't know. You guys need to do this. If you really love hiking, this is your place. Because like tulikuwa tumeenda 1 hour, so you can imagine we were to go for another 1.5 hour to get to the top. Okay, and go around the crater. Inaitwa crater, yeah, that place, that shimo. So mimi nilikuwa najisike, mimi nilikuwa nakimbia. So I was feeling acha nikimbia ni lose weight kidogo. Okay, I don't want to go over there, but I was feeling unfit. Yeah, but the view was very awesome. Munaona uko chini? So I had to get down there. Na niko mbali. It wasn't easy, my loves. But pole pole unaona nikwambia, I used to run and then go stop somewhere. Hadi naketi. But now here I'm so excited. Nilifika chini and I was seeing the gate. Iko huko mbali, mnaiona? The gate is there. I can see it from afar. I don't know if you guys can see. Now my cameraman started running too. Surely. Angesimama ndo muone gate. Yeah, at least he did it. Yeah, now you can see the gate. Iko huko. This is so motivating, like I finished. Yeah, na nikafika kwa gate. I was so happy. So happy. Like, yeah, I made it. Allah, voila. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Tulisema, saizi in our 20s, we have to adventure to the fullest. So yeah, that was our adventure for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really love you so much, guys. And yeah, thank you so much.